Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe, it is a super easy stir fry but super refreshing and my boys like it, which is tofu and veggies. Tofu and veggie stir fry. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye! Slice thinly 6 garlic. Slice a bag of green beans into thinly as well. We're gonna slice our extra firm tofu into small cubes, like so. Saute the sliced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just until a little bit softened. And then we're gonna add in our tofu. Followed with our green beans. And our carrots. So this is a bag of green beans, a bag of tofu, and a bag of matchstick carrots, about 2 or 4 grams. I believe the tofu was like 400 grams, and a bag of green beans is, I can't remember, but it was around 400 as well. So we're gonna stir fry this until softened before we add our last veggie, which is bean sprouts. You want to season it with celery salt to flavor, to taste, a little of mushroom granules, a little bit of sesame oil. You want to flavor now, not waiting for the bean sprout, because tofu is awesome when it's seasoned first. It will soak up the flavoring. Not forgetting generous pinches of white ground pepper and some water. Now we're gonna cover this with the lid. Now carrot and green beans tender, add in your bean sprout and just stir fry it for another 2 minutes, and it's ready to be served. I like when the bean sprout's still a bit crunchy, but some people like it soft. Like it soft, so it's up to you. As long as the green beans and carrots already tender. There you go. It's very refreshing for summer with rice and chicken nugget.